Check out this list of Amazon household gadgets. The links to purchase the products are in the description of this video. Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. The Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is your all-in-one solution for sparkling floors, tiles, curtains, and even furniture. With its detachable base and 360-degree steam tools, you can easily tackle every corner of your home. The two-tank system lets you add detergent for an extra boost, while the boiling water feature powers through the toughest dirt. Make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective because your time is too valuable to waste on scrubbing. The Joom Kitchen Faucet. Tired of scrubbing endlessly or struggling with fragile fruits? The Joom Kitchen Faucet is your ultimate solution. Its wide spray blasts away stubborn residue with ease, while the gentle aerator stream pampers delicate produce like berries. Need to clean larger areas? The sweeping spray provides full coverage, making kitchen tasks faster and more efficient. Plus, the single-handle control lets you adjust water flow and temperature effortlessly with one hand, perfect for multitasking. Upgrade your kitchen and make every chore a breeze. New Wall Mop Cleaner. Struggling to clean those hard-to-reach spots? The new Wall Mop Cleaner is here to make your life easier. Its versatile head adjusts to a 90 degrees angle on both sides, ensuring every corner, edge, and surface gets the attention it needs. Tilted upward to effortlessly scrub baseboards, wall corners, and ceilings with precision. Fold it downward, and you'll tackle fans, bay windows, cabinets, and door frames without breaking a sweat. No more stretching, climbing, or missing those tricky spots. With the new Wall Mop Cleaner, you'll enjoy a spotless home with less effort and more time to relax. Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer. Stop wasting time and money on spoiled food. The Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer locks in freshness in just 5 seconds, preserving the flavor, nutrition, and texture of your meals. With reusable, resealable bags that are safe for the dishwasher, freezer, and microwave, you'll never worry about leaks or odors. Simple to use and incredibly effective, this vacuum sealer makes meal prep easier, keeps food fresh longer, and saves you money. Don't let your food and your efforts go to waste. Omea 4-in-1 Dish Soap Dispenser Set. Tired of messy counters and wasting time with clunky soap bottles? The Omea 4-in-1 Dish Soap Dispenser makes washing dishes effortless. Just press down with your sponge, and you'll get the perfect amount of soap, no spills, no waste. Made with durable, patented materials, this dispenser is built to last, and its large capacity means fewer refills. Simplify your kitchen routine and enjoy a cleaner, more organized sink area. 2-in-1 Glass Oil Sprayer and Dispenser. Transform the way you cook with this 2-in-1 glass oil sprayer and dispenser. Perfectly designed to spray or pour oil with ease, it saves space and simplifies your kitchen routine. Made from durable, heat-resistant glass, it's built to last through countless meals, whether indoors or outdoors. This tool isn't just a dispenser, it's a game-changer for your kitchen. Top Mart Drawer Organizer. Tired of messy drawers and struggling to find what you need? The Top Mart Drawer Organizer is your answer. These clear, versatile trays fit seamlessly into any drawer, bathroom, kitchen, office, or vanity. Perfect for cosmetics, tools, jewelry, and more, they bring instant order to chaos. Easy to clean and designed to keep everything in its place, they'll transform your space into a beautifully organized haven. Tiley Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink. Durable and water-resistant, it's built to last for years. Its patented suction cup, inspired by octopus suction, holds up to 11 pounds and stays secure even in wet conditions. Keep your sponge neatly stored and always within. Cleaning Brush. Cleaning tight spaces doesn't have to be a hassle. This cleaning brush is your secret weapon for dust, dirt, and debris in those hard-to-reach areas. With a narrow head, sturdy bristles, and a comfortable non-slip handle, it makes cleaning effortless and effective. Simplify your chores and tackle messes with ease. Allspice Wood Spice Rack Organizer. Tired of digging through cluttered cabinets to find your favorite spices? The Allspice Wood Spice Rack Organizer is here to bring order and elegance to your kitchen. Made from durable bamboo with a smooth satin finish, this organizer is as stylish as it is practical. Say hello to a streamlined cooking experience. Whether mounted on the wall or placed on your counter, it's the perfect solution for keeping your spices within reach and your kitchen looking immaculate. Fraudel Digital Kitchen Food Scale and Mixing Bowl. Precision matters, especially when it comes to your recipes. The Fraudel Digital Kitchen Scale ensures you measure every ingredient with pinpoint accuracy, down to the last gram or ounce. The detachable stainless steel bowl doubles as a mixing tool, making preparation and cleanup effortless. Its portable design means you can take it anywhere, ensuring perfection in every dish. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a baking enthusiast, this scale is your ultimate kitchen ally. Single-handed soap dispenser. Keep your sink area clean and hygienic with the single-handed soap dispenser. Operate it effortlessly with the back of one hand, no mess, no fuss. Its non-slip base and soap level indicator make it practical for any liquid soap, ensuring a cleaner, more convenient experience every time you wash up. Deco Home Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Tired of scrubbing dishes and battling sore hands? The Deco Home Portable Countertop Dishwasher is here to save the day. Perfect for small spaces like apartments and tiny homes, this compact powerhouse cleans up to 4 place settings with ease. Let this dishwasher handle the mess while you enjoy the clean.